Hi, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to prepare very healthy, easy to prepare cucumber salad for weight loss. Cucumber salad is the traditional preparation of coastal Karnataka or Mangalore. This creamy, crunchy salad is everyone's favorite with the goodness of coconut. Let us prepare cucumber salad. Here I have taken one medium-sized organically grown cucumber. Wash it thoroughly. Here I have retained the outer skin. Cut it finely and transfer it to a vessel. Cucumber contains more than 95% of water and outer skin is rich with fiber. It is low in calorie and aids in weight loss. It is rich with vitamins like A, B, C, D and E and minerals like potassium and magnesium. It helps to boost immunity, flushes out toxins, keeps the body cool and hydrates the body. It reduces the risk of cancer and acts as mouth freshener. It stabilizes the blood pressure and helps to reduce cholesterol. For this finely chopped cucumber, add powdered rock salt to taste. Now take half cup of grated fresh coconut in grinding jar. Coconut is considered as superfood. It is rich with dietary fiber that is more than 61% and it is rich with vitamins and minerals including iron, selenium, sodium, calcium, magnesium and phosphorus. It supports the absorption of nutrients and minerals. It helps to reduce body weight and abdominal fat. Along with weight reduction, saturated fat in the coconut raises good cholesterol level in the body and helps to reduce the risk of heart diseases. With the antiviral, antifungal and antibacterial property, it boosts immunity. For this coconut, add 2 to 3 green chilies. These are wild green chilies. I have already mentioned regarding wild green chilies. If it is not available, you can use ordinary green chili. But this type of green chili is better to your stomach. Now add half to 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Mustard seeds are hot in nature that pacifies the coldness of cucumber. Add little water and grind it to form smooth paste like chutney. Transfer it to the chopped cucumber. Add little water and pour it to the vessel. Mix well. This salad can be used for breakfast, lunch or dinner. It can be used as a side dish for steaming hot rice. Easy to prepare, very healthy cucumber salad is ready to serve. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.